Hello guys, welcome back to Creation's YouTube channel. Today I'll be breaking down how to install and how to use the new ccICON pack for Premiere Pro. Once we download the pack, we need to go to Finder. Let's go to Downloads and it will appear a ccICON zip, and we need to just unzip, double click for it, and it will appear a ccICON PR folder. If we open this folder, we have product manual in case you need it, and beside we have the ccICON folder, which includes the files for Premiere Pro. It also has the After Effects files if you need it for something, but we will be installing these ones. Once we have our files, we need to open Premiere Pro. We need to go to the right bottom part of our screen, and there is an install button. If we click, we will see our ccICON folder. If not, just search it in your downloads. And we need to open the ccICON folder and the MOGRT. We need to install these three and hit open. Since I already have the files installed, I will just hit no. Once you have done this, let's go back to Essential Graphics, Browse, and we just need to type ccICON, and these three files will appear. We have the ccICON Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram. It includes more than 100 icons in total, so you have plenty of options. Let's choose one for show you guys how it works. So let's just pick the ccICON Instagram, drag and drop to your timeline. If we select the ccICON Instagram and go to the right side of our screen, we will see a preview Instagram, so don't worry for this because it's a preview image. Let's toggle this down and choose, for example, the question box. And here we have a global position and scale, so you can adjust the title as you need. As we selected the question box in this first list, let's open this folder. And here we have text parameters where you can change your text, the font, and the size. We also have a position only for the text, so you can move it to the right, left, up, and down as you need. We have the next title with the same settings. And down here we have a placeholder. This is very simple to use, and I'll just show you how it works. If we click this button and we select Replace from Finder, we can select an image for import. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click Open. And this image has changed to our logo we selected. Basically, a placeholder is a place where you can insert your image or your videos and adjust it as you need. And for the last thing, we have the color section, and you can choose your favorite ones. About the timeline section, you can change the duration by dragging to the left, and that's it. The only thing we need to remember is when you choose an icon from this list, we need to open its folder. So if we choose, for example, the follow, we will have to open the follow folder. And for the rest, the settings are all the same for each icon, so it's very simple to adjust and use. Alright guys, so this is it. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helped you to understand how to install and how to use the new ccICON pack for Premiere Pro. If you have any further questions, please do let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial.